Since the day you were born, you've been fed lies about money. Lies that are keeping you stuck, broke, and trapped in an endless cycle. Ever heard, just work hard and you'll be rich? Or save every penny? That's how you build wealth? What if I told you, those are some of the biggest myths holding you back? In today's video, we're exposing the financial lies you've been told since birth. The kind of lies that could cost you years of your life and thousands of dollars. Stick around, because the truth is going to change how you think about money forever. Money can't buy happiness. This is perhaps one of the most repeated financial myths. While it's true that material possessions alone won't bring lasting happiness, the idea that money has no impact on happiness is misleading. Studies have consistently shown that money can significantly improve your well-being, up to a certain point. Having enough money to cover basic needs, reduce stress, and enjoy experiences can contribute to a happier, healthier life. Money allows you to pursue your passions, support your family, and have the freedom to make choices that align with your values. The key is not to chase money for the sake of it, but to use it as a tool to create a life that brings you joy and fulfillment. Get a good job and you'll be set for life. For decades, the standard advice was to go to school, get a degree, and find a secure job with benefits. While education and employment are still critical components of financial stability, the idea that a single job will set you up for life is outdated. The job market has changed drastically in recent years, and job security is no longer guaranteed, even for highly educated professionals. Today, relying on a single source of income can be risky. The key to building true financial security is diversification. This means developing multiple streams of income, such as side hustles, investments, or freelancing opportunities. It's also important to keep learning new skills and adapting to changes in the job market to stay competitive and relevant. Debt is always bad. The word debt often carries a negative connotation, and many people are taught to avoid it at all costs. But not all debt is created equal. While high-interest consumer debt like credit card balances can be harmful, other types of debt can be strategic tools for building wealth. For example, student loans can be a smart investment if they help you acquire valuable skills that lead to higher income. Mortgages allow you to own property, which typically appreciates over time, helping you build equity and long-term wealth. Business loans can help you start or expand a business that generates substantial returns. The key is learning to differentiate between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is used to invest in your future, while bad debt drains your resources without offering long-term benefits. Save, 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 that's the key to wealth. Saving money is important, but the idea that you can save your way to wealth is one of the biggest lies out there. The problem is that most savings accounts offer interest rates that barely keep up with inflation, meaning your money's purchasing power diminishes over time. Instead of just saving, focus on investing. Investments, whether in stocks, real estate, or businesses, allow your money to grow exponentially through compound returns. While having an emergency fund and short-term savings goals is essential, long-term financial success depends on making your money work for you. For example, investing $10,000 in a stock market index fund with an average annual return of 7% will grow to over $19,000 in 10 years. That same $10,000 in a savings account with a 0.5% interest rate will barely grow at all. You need to be rich to start investing. Many people believe that investing is only for the wealthy, but this couldn't be further from the truth. With the rise of apps and platforms that offer commission-free trades and fractional shares, anyone can start investing with as little as a few dollars. The key to successful investing is consistency and time in the market. Even small amounts can grow into substantial wealth over time through the power of compounding. The earlier you start, the greater your potential returns. For example, investing $50 a month at a 7% annual return will grow to nearly $60,000 in 30 years. Waiting until you have more money to invest could mean missing out on decades of growth. Homeownership is the ultimate goal. For many, owning a home is seen as the pinnacle of financial success. While home ownership can be a smart financial move in some situations, it's not always the best choice for everyone. The idea that renting is throwing money away is a myth that can pressure people into buying homes they can't afford or aren't ready for. Home ownership comes with hidden costs, property taxes, maintenance, insurance, and unexpected repairs that can quickly add up. In some cases, renting offers more flexibility and can even be more cost-efficient, especially if you invest the difference in cost between renting and owning. Ultimately, whether you buy or rent should depend on your lifestyle, financial situation, and long-term goals, not societal expectations." End quote. You must go to college to be successful. While higher education can open doors, the idea that a college degree is the only path to success is outdated. In today's world, there are countless opportunities for non-traditional careers and self-employment that don't require a 4-year degree. Trades, tech certifications, and online courses can lead to high-paying jobs without the burden of student debt. Some of the most successful entrepreneurs and innovators didn't follow the traditional college path. What matters most is acquiring skills that are in demand and continuously adapting to the evolving job market. Talking about money is taboo. In many cultures, discussing money is considered impolite or even taboo. This secrecy can lead to a lack of financial literacy and missed opportunities for growth. When people are unwilling to talk openly about money, they miss out on learning from others' experiences and mistakes. Breaking the taboo around money conversations is crucial for improving financial literacy. Talk openly with trusted friends, family, or mentors about saving, investing, budgeting, and other financial topics. The more you learn and share, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Credit cards are dangerous. Credit cards often get a bad reputation, and for good reason. If mismanaged, they can lead to crippling debt. However, when used responsibly, credit cards can be powerful financial tools. They offer convenience, rewards, and protections that cash and debit cards don't provide. By paying off your balance in full each month, you can avoid interest charges while building a strong credit history. A good credit score opens doors to better loan rates, rental opportunities, and even job offers. The key is to treat credit cards as a tool for building credit and earning rewards, not as free money. You should focus on paying off all debt before investing. While it's wise to pay off high-interest debt like credit card balances as quickly as possible, the idea that you shouldn't invest until you're debt-free is another harmful myth. If you wait to invest until you've paid off every cent of debt, you could miss out on years or even decades of potential growth. A more balanced approach is to prioritize high-interest debt while simultaneously investing a portion of your income. For example, if you have a low-interest student loan, it may make sense to invest in your retirement while making regular loan payments. You can't start a business without a lot of capital. The belief that starting a business requires a huge amount of money has kept countless people from pursuing entrepreneurship. In reality, many successful businesses have started with minimal investment. The internet has leveled the playing field, offering affordable ways to launch online businesses, freelancing services, or digital products. With creativity, planning, and resourcefulness, it's possible to start small and scale your business over time. Financial success means never making mistakes. The fear of failure can prevent people from taking risks that could improve their financial situation. The truth is, every successful person has made mistakes along the way. What sets them apart is their ability to learn from those mistakes and keep moving forward. Financial success is not about perfection. It's about persistence, adaptability, and continuous learning. Now that we've exposed these financial lies, it's time to take back control of your future. Remember, financial freedom starts with unlearning everything society told you about money and making smarter, informed decisions. If you found this video eye-opening, hit that like button, subscribe for more content on building your financial future, and share this video with someone who needs to hear the truth. And remember, it's not about how much money you make, it's about how well you understand it. See you in the next video.